Alright, check it out. These are Star Wars cards from 2015. There could be autograph, parallel, sketch cards, and patches. So, right off the back, got a Darth Vader card. X-Wings. The Force Awakens. Death Star. Collect on cloth stickers? Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. Sandcrawler and Rebel Base. Assassination failed. These cards aren't very good quality. I mean, that's pretty blurry. I'm pretty sure these are just like bad screen grabs. Alright. Collect all. What do we got? Ooh, Snow Trooper. Got a sticker card of Chewie. There's only a couple bucks, so I'm not too worried about it.